In Java, an identifier is a name given to a variable, method, class, package, or interface. There's rules for forming valid identifiers in Java. The first rule, the name of an identifier must begin with a letter, currency character such as the dollar sign or underscore. It cannot begin with a digit. There's best practices out there that says certain naming conventions or the name of a identifier cannot be using certain characters. But these are specific restrictions pertaining to a company or a group of developers. By and large, you have to be aware of Java identifiers being case sensitive. For example, my class, where you have this camel casing, M being small case and C being the uppercase, is different than if you were to write my class this way. Or everything is lowercase, my class. These are all considered different identifiers. And if you haven't noticed already, Java has these specific reserved keywords. They all have predefined meanings and cannot be used for naming variables, classes, methods, and etc. So you must know about these reserved keywords up front. Either that, or you have to pay close attention to your IDE outputs when you compile or run your code. Lastly, there's no length limit for identifiers. However, it is a good practice to keep them concise and meaningful. You want to create identifiers such as X, Y, and Z. They don't mean anything. Be specific. These are the most common best practices that you would encounter in a programming setting.